And today I was just going to show you my NBA Live mobile team. I think that's way too late because I had to restart everything. Wasn't posting lately because, I got a lot of things to do. So I just got to show you my NBA team. I got 23K so far. I got my team. So yeah, I got to restart all my team. And this is what my team looks like so far. This only took a few days. I mean, a little bit. Give me Carmelo, a lot of legends, Stephen Curry, and I just built that from a gold team, and that's how I did it. And live events, there's nothing really going on. I'm waiting until that Road to Riches comes out. My coins, and that's how I did it. Bye, guys.